I feel proud to be part of it. It is my ardent duty to keep the banner of my school high. My responsibilities include paying respect to seniors, discriminate between right and wrong, maintain decorum and cleanliness within the school campus. I promise to abide by the rules and regulations of the school of which I am an integral part. Jai Hind.
आप सबों को सुप्रभात। मैं सारण अभिषेक केकेटा। सबसे पहले आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदया, सभी शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे छोटे भाइयों बहनों, आप सबों को मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूँ, धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि आप सबों ने मुझे इस काबिल समझा कि मैं विद्यालय का कप्तान बनूं और आप सबों को लीड करूं। इसलिए मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूं एज ए स्कूल कैप्टन कि मैं ईमानदारी, अनुशासन और समर्पण के साथ अपना प्रतिज्ञा निभाऊंगा। मैं हमेशा अपने स्कूल की गरिमा को ऊंचा रखूंगा और आप सबों के लिए एक अच्छा उदाहरण बनूंगा। आप सबों के लिए अच्छे से जितना हो सके मैं उपस्थिति दूंगा और काम करूंगा। आप सबों का मैं हर जगह जहां कहीं भी आप सबों को मेरी ज़रूरत होगी मैं वहां उपस्थित रहूंगा। धन्यवाद।
Most Honorable Principal in Charge Ma'am, teachers and my fellow KVNs, I am blessed to be present over here as your head girl. I am Carol Catherine Pigga from class 12th, and I'm so thankful for all the guidance and all the support that I've got from all the teachers and students to stand here as the head girl of Kendriya Vidyalaya Gumla 2025-26. I was in class 5th when I first joined Kendriya Vidyalaya, the school Kendriya Vidyalaya. I was in Madhya Pradesh, and I was so in awe by the power of student council and the students of student council, their mannerisms, their discipline. It made me observe myself, and I fell into introspection, analyzing that and understanding that the changes that we need in the society, we need the changes to be in ourselves first. I was fortunate enough that I've got the position of the junior head girl in Kendriya Vidyalaya when I was in class 5th only. And since then, I've been equipped with sheer determination to bring positive changes in the school and the students of the school. Right now, here as I stand, I would not extend this speech long, but I would only like to have a heart-to-heart conversations with all of you. I would like to cite the very pledge that was taken by all of us, the members of student councils today itself. We would like to discharge our duties to the best of our abilities. However, I would like to remind you all that these duties, these responsibilities, and these efforts are a two-way process. It means that they are meant to be put on by the student council members as well as the students. Many students, they are kind of disobedient, and they ask us that what do we do? So I would really suggest you all to go to your classes and just open your diary up, and there is article 60 given for students. This is my suggestion to read it once. Also, it is the duty of all the students to criticize, to positively criticize the student council members, because we are selected in a democratic way and you all have the right to correct us. If we go on the wrong direction, then you all have the right to correct us, but in a positive attitude. So I would like to say कि बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है, and that is what we have to do over here as well. Small changes in our lives, for example, proper hygiene, proper uniform, it can help us to get better in our personal life, and it can help us to maintain the decorum of the school as well. So I would request you all to please support us and please coordinate with us. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much.